Hey, it's Al Williamson with LeadingLandlord.com. Today I want to share with you how to use Facebook Marketplace to find a suitable rental for your rental arbitrage, for your mid-stay rental, for your extended stay rental only. We're specializing in 30 days and longer. So this is how you do it, and this is what the process you want to use if you're looking to expand and you want to find something that's suitable in your price range, and how do you monitor it. Okay, Facebook Marketplace is a great place to look. So first thing you do, step one, is you determine what your maximum rental rate is. It's because you're going to need that to filter out all those listings. So to do that from a extended stay perspective or from a mid-stay perspective, I recommend that you reference the professionals, the extended stay hotel that is in your area. You find one that you want to compete against, that attracts the crowd that you want. And what you do is you find out what their monthly rate is. In this example, let's assume their monthly rate is $3,312. Okay, that's how much people pay. They're actually paying that per month. I recommend, if you're just getting started, that you check for something that's about 80% of that rate. You want to find what a 20% discount is against that extended stay hotel, so that you can look like a deal when people are coming and shopping. And you can use that as your reference point. In this case, the 20% mark is $2,650. So from that point there, from that $2,650, I want to subtract off my minimum profit. And I recommend the very minimum that you should be earning from an extended stay or a mid-stay rental, if you're doing rental arbitrage, is $500. Now, we take that and we're going to subtract that off, and we're also going to subtract off what we expect our monthly expenses to be for, let's say, a one bed, one bath. And so for monthly expenses, in this case, let's assume it's $350. That's for Wi-Fi, parking, and electricity, things like that. And that leaves us with $1,800. Now, that's going to be the maximum rent that we're going to put into Facebook Marketplace and filter on. So we're going to look for rentals less than $1,800. So the next step, hey, let's go shopping now that we know, and we're going to type in the zip code that you're looking at in Facebook Marketplace. And in this case, we're going to be looking in the Washington, D.C. area. So we're going to type that in, and we're going to see all this things like that. And then what you want to do is tell Facebook Marketplace that you're going to be looking for rental property. So you click on property rentals, and you click on that, and then it gives you all these options that you can filter on. This is great, which is what I like. So that's where you type in your maximum rent of $1,800. You can click on one bed, one bath, but it doesn't really matter, because we want to look at everything that is available that's less than $1,800. Okay, so we do that, and of course we're not looking for rooms, so it's okay to select that option that you're not looking for rooms. But Facebook Marketplace doesn't do a good job of filtering out that. So we're going to look through everything and check it out. And this is what I see. I see all these options, these pods tell me, hey, there's a lot of rentals available there. So you can click on one of the circles and expand on it. And I also selected, I want to look for rental apartments. And this is what you're going to get. You're going to get an expanded view. And also up here, I'm showing you that they're looking for one bed, two bed, three beds. You can specify that. But I want to look at everything. So I'll start looking through the listings, and I say, oh man, this one's a room. I don't want that. This one's ridiculous price. That might be a scam. This looks like it's a real thing. So you kind of, you'll get better and better at doing that. So here are some things I like. I like this basement apartment. This looked right. The rental price was definitely below $1,800. This is $1,450. Okay, that looks great. And I looked through the pictures, and it's like, yeah, that is something that I could use. And of course, this is unfurnished. They're just showing me what it looks like with its furniture in there. And here's something that's empty, but the rent price is too low for the area. I know this is a nice area, and they're saying they want $900 a month. So I'm a little suspicious about that. I'm a little suspicious about that if they're talking about a room rental or that's not quite right you're going to learn how to do that over time, because you're going to get better and better at spotting something that's counterfeit and something that's real. And here's another one. This looks about right. This price range was about $1,675. That's below my $1,800 limit, and this one's unfurnished. And I looked through the pictures. I thought it was good too. So that's what you want to do. You want to pick up those types of things and get good and call them. And we have a coaching and training program. You can use our scripts. They've been working since 2014, and we have all kinds of easy ways that you can get up and going for rental arbitrage. And if you like the way I teach, I'm kind of a visual person. I come in it from a technical engineer standpoint. If you like that, then you want to check out our coaching and training program. Information about that is below. Now, if you're looking for more ways to increase your income and reduce your expenses, the best way to do that is just subscribe to my channel.